Hello and welcome to our video on concrete mixer machines. In this video we'll be discussing the different types of concrete mixer machines, their capacities based on their cement bag capacities, and their use cases in the construction industry along with their advantages and disadvantages. Concrete mixer machines are the essential equipments in the construction industry which are used to mix cement, water, aggregates and sand to form concrete. There are several different types of concrete mixers available in the market, each designed for a specific type of construction project. Now the first one is a drum mixer. A drum mixer is a cylindrical shaped mixer which rotates on its axis to mix the ingredients. These are used for small scale construction projects such as DIY home projects. Now the second one is a tilting drum mixer. Tilting drum mixers are similar to drum mixers, but the additional function in this mixer is that it can be tilted to pour the concrete. These are commonly used for medium to large scale construction projects. Now the third one is the reverse drum mixer. Reverse drum mixers are similar to the tilting drum mixers, but the additional benefit or the additional facility in this is that it can rotate in both the directions. So this allows the concrete to get mixed properly. These are commonly used for larger construction projects. Now the fourth one is a pan mixer. A pan mixer is a stationary mixer with a stationary flat bottom and a rotating pan. These are commonly used for mixing mortar and small batches of concrete. Now the fifth one is the twin shaft mixer. It has two mixing shafts which rotates in both the directions. These are commonly used for high-scale construction projects where high quality and consistency is required. Now the sixth one is vertical shaft mixer. Now this has a vertical mixing shaft which rotates to mix its ingredients. These are commonly used for precast concrete products such as pipes and blocks. Well, choosing the right type of concrete mixer machine depends on the requirement of your construction project. Also the amount of concrete required and the desired quality expected in your construction project. Another important consideration is the capacity of the concrete mixer based on the number of cement bags it can accommodate. Now first one is the one bag mixer. It has capacity of one bag of cement which typically weighs 50 kgs. These are commonly used for small construction projects such as building a small house, making a garden wall or paving a driveway. Now the second one is a two bag mixer. It has a capacity of 2 bags of cement which typically weighs 100 kgs. These are commonly used for medium-sized construction projects such as building a small commercial building or paving a parking lot. Now the third one is a 3 bag mixer. It has capacity of 3 bags of cement which typically weighs 150 kgs. These are commonly used for large construction projects such as building a large commercial building or a road. Now the fourth one is a 4 bag mixer. It has a capacity of 4 cement bags which typically weighs around 200 kgs. These are commonly used for heavy duty construction projects such as building a large dam or a bridge. Concrete mixer machines are used in variety of construction projects including building construction, road construction, dam construction, bridge construction and infrastructure construction. Now here are some of the advantages of the concrete mixer machine. Concrete mixer machines are efficient in mixing large quantities of concrete, reducing manual labor and time. Concrete mixing machines ensures consistent mixing of concrete ingredients, resulting in uniform and high quality mixture. Concrete mixer machine also helps to reduce the labor cost as they require fewer workers to operate than manual mixing. Concrete mixer machine provides a safer working environment by reducing the risk of injury by manual handling of heavy loads. Well, there are some disadvantages as well to the concrete mixer machines like initial high cost. It comes with a lot of regular maintenance. It has limited mobility as some types of concrete mixer machines are stationary. It also creates noise pollution and there is also a lot of energy consumption during the operation of concrete mixer machines. But in conclusion, the concrete mixer machines are an essential equipment in the construction industry, providing an efficient and consistent way of mixing concrete ingredients. From small DIY projects to large infrastructure projects, there are different types of concrete mixer machines available to meet specific project requirements. Overall, concrete mixer machine plays a crucial role in the construction project, helping to create safe and durable structures, whether you are a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast. Choosing the right type of concrete mixer machine can make a significant difference in the success of your construction project. Well, that is all for today. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and helpful in understanding. Do subscribe to our channel and like this video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. And again, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such informative videos. We'll see you in the next video.